Hello, in this video, I will explain to you on how to solve this problem. Let's read the problem first. How much tension must a rope withstand if it is used to accelerate a 1012, not 1200, 1210 kilogram, 1210 kilogram car horizontally along a frictionless surface at 1.335 meter over second squared. Okay, so we have our car here. Like this. As this is a physics problem, we should always draw. Okay, and this is the front, and this is the window. Okay, and we have a frictionless surface. Okay, maybe it is a snowy road or something that is very slippery, so we don't have any friction here. And this car is pulled by a rope. Okay, maybe let's tie that into here, and we have this rope goes from there. Okay, and maybe someone is pulling this car here, like this. And so we need some force, right, that is pulling that car. And that force, let's name that as maybe T, because that is the tension of the rope. Good. And because this is frictionless, maybe there was a snow or something, so we don't have any friction, right? So usually if you have some friction, you will have the opposing force there, but here we have frictionless surface. So the only force that works on this car is just this T here, right? Okay, so the mass of the car is 1210, so I have 1210 kilogram. And then the acceleration here is 1.35. Okay, so let's see what can we have from here. Okay, the car is moving to the right, horizontally. The car cannot move vertically. It cannot fly, or it cannot dig the floor. So I will have the car only moves horizontally. So we'll have the net force on the x direction, and that will equal to the mass times acceleration also in the x direction, and the acceleration, the unit is meter over second squared. Good. And the only force that is working on this car is this T, so I will have T on the left hand side, and also I will have the mass times the acceleration. Okay, the acceleration is this one, so I will have A here. Now let's plug that in. We will have 1210 then multiplied by 1.35, and so we'll have the tension of the rope that will be, okay, let's use calculator for that, 1210 times 1.35, so we will have, what is it, 1633, okay, 1633.5, and because this is kilogram and this is meter over second squared, the unit here is Newton. Okay, so let's highlight that, and we know that that is our final answer here, which is the tension of the rope. Okay, hopefully I did not make any mistakes during my calculation. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.